In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the best native deodorant discount code. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, you have to go to your web browser and you need to search for native deodorant discount codes. Right here, go to this website which is called couponfollow.com, and as you can see we have some promotions right here that we can use to get a discount. For example, if you want to get this 20% discount of your next order, simply tap on this promotion right here, and this is your promo code. As you can see, you can copy this promo code from right here and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have this website which is called simplycodes.com, and right here we also have some promo codes. So for example, right here, if you want to get this 20% discount right here, simply tap on copy code option right here, and this is your promo code. You can tap right here on this button to copy the promo code, and if you use this one on your next purchase, you'll get that 20% discount. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.